Welcome to us to my.
to my channel this weekend. Yes,
I'm about to show you how you
how
can
you can fix your charging port
easily without having
without having
yourself
go
good
through
shoe it
tussle
also
of
love.
manual remover.
First, you get your
blower or workstation ready.
make sure you have it very good. Voltage.
that will carry the
Learn
blower
to position your
or
phone.
machine you are using. Learn to position your phone.
Tiki, learn to position your phone properly. Using because so I will try to. Might not have all the takes to become an engineer or the choose required. Just like whites me who have everything that disposer. We have to use your wisdom to know what is needed. How you use what you have to get what you want. What you need may not always be available, but you always have something. Yes. And you have a good current. It's stressful. A current I'm using right now. The bit low. As I can see that even after regulating the blower, it's come full of the charger porties. You see the difference how far I've changed the current. And the current I'm recently using. It's taking time. I think only wife is in this charging port. In this mission. Make sure I repeat. Make sure you have enough beast. Make sure you have enough peace. Why is necessary? It prevent pulling from the interface. It will be so easy. Very easy fit to just move out as if there's nothing holding it before. Always clean your interface is necessary. Most times it's good to apply beast. Apply legs, sorry, before fixing charging ports. So it should be easy. Once you just place the charging ports, it sticks. Sticks directly. I think as outside. Now I've changed my coins to be higher. To be tired. As you can see, it's moving easily. As you can see. And very soon I'll fix the charging port, which is required. And look, I always tell you, do well to get the right charging port. Too well to get your iCharging port. Some people don't know how to sell their charging ports. You just go on fixing how charging ports. And they'll be struggling with the phone, which is not supposed to be. You're supposed to enjoy the walk. You're not supposed to stress yourself on the walk. You enjoy it. Why you enjoy the one you know? Live the ones you don't know. Cannot know everything. Just do the ones you know and do it very well. Cause I have a good score. And she just taking nothing less than was 2 minutes or less and the walk is done. 2 minutes or less and you make sure that it sticks. You can see very well why the ladies as if is boiling. When it's met very well sticks to the charging port. That is why I am always do that. Placing the lead at the B's. May you please delay the bees? Immediately, you
Sharp.
pull the charging port. Apply pressure sticks. The customer will not go home. Unplug the charging ports, and the charging ports will lose the charger. Can never ever happen. As long as you apply dues late.
You apply dues late.
Don't forget to line the leg at the back.
At the back.
When you line the leg at the back. Connection is easy, close easily. Now we are done.
Flows easily. Now we are done.
Let's see if we are able to get the best of our handle.
Best of our hard work.
Let's test our work to see if it's actually worked.
If it's actually worked.
Do we
Yes,
especially too? Let's see how it goes. 1,000 plugged to each other.
1,000 plugged to each charger.
And don't forget to always remove the foil paper. Boom phone is charging.
The phone is charging. You
Have the best of it. Thank you.
Thank you.